dishes, wipe the tables, brush the floor, clean the cooker and the microwave, and make people cup of teas and ask customers what drink and who would like to eat. I was in the art place in the beginning doing craft work, and then I came to a cafe and Tracy and Diane and Kim showed me what stuff to do in a cafe. In Ysgol Pendala, yeah. I came here once with Ysgol Pendala with Helga and Mandy to a cafe, cutting veg and I know what to do, things to do in a cafe. The staff shows me what to do. If I'm stuck, I always could go to Tracy or Kim and they could show me what I need help with, support with. The staff helps me a lot on the till. I get trouble with money, but Tracy supports me on the till with money and stuff. Monday and Tuesday in September when I'm in college, and when I'm off college it's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday when I'm off college. Pontio, life skills, cooking, brushing the floor, making new friends in the cafe with Anwen and with Mark and Peter and Lee and Val and Alison and Anne.